for stopping in my channel. For those who gave me thumbs up on the previous video, thank you very much. On this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. If you have any type of suggestions, please put it down below for me to get back, and maybe if there's any ideas for the next video, that'd be great. This video, just to let you know, is all about first-time loans, car loans, or if you've got bad credit. We're going to show you how to get approved, how to get into the dealership and make sure that you are approved. But before we get into it, we do have an empty chair right there. Okay? We have a special guest coming in. That's right. We have a dealer. We brought him in to get his, perspective on how to finance, what he could tell you to help you out at his dealership. Without further ado, here's Tony Cannoli. Tony, welcome.
Hey, what's going on?
You look all
What's going
snazzy
on?
and nice there. Very
good. Sammy B. Yeah, thank you
Tony,
for
we got a special
having me over here.
They're
Yeah, I'll
watching.
get this headset on here.
What you know about the business? Please tell us about how long you've been in the business.
Oh, I've been in the business for about 30 years.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? I'm looking pretty good there, huh? Yeah, 30
that
years.
Long, huh?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, with 30 years. You know which business
listen,
to make the money.
We'd like to know.
What do you want to know? I can tell you anything.
Your dealership. How do you guys finance?
We try to make as much money as we can on these people. That's right. We try to stick it to every customer to make as much money as we can.
No. We're helping.
Well, that's right.
You're not talking.
No, we make as much money as we can. It's all about me. You know what I'm talking about? Huh?
That's how you do that at your dealership.
You know, that's right. That's right. You know, what do you think this is, huh?
No.
I don't have a Salvation Army over my dealership.
No.
I'm making the money in my place. Huh?
I appreciate you stopping
100%
by.
profit.
Really do.
What?
You know, but I think you need to leave.
Oh,
okay.
okay. What about my paycheck?
I'll send you the check.
Yeah,
okay. I appreciate
that.
Thank
Okay,
you.
that's
Thank you
right.
for stopping by.
Right there.
Okay, you made a mess of things.
Thanks for nothing.
Yeah. See you later. Well, joking aside, guys, we're having fun here. But this show is all about first-time buyers, first-time loans, and those that have bad credit and want to get loans at the dealerships. Okay, the first thing we want to do, let's get into it. Step one is go to the bank. Okay, you want to ask the bank if they have subprime financing or a first-time buyer loan. Okay, so if you're a first-time buyer, you're asking them for first-time buyer loan, or if you've got bad credit, you're looking for the bank that's going to do subprime financing. A lot of these banks will refer you to dealers also that they deal with, because those dealers are sending those loans to them. So do go to your local bank, local credit union. They do have programs for you. If not, go onto the websites where you found some of these vehicles. Look at the car dealers' websites. They'll say right on them, we finance, or we'll finance anybody. Those are the dealers that you want to go to. They've got the ability to push your loan through. Why? Because they want to sell the car. They want to get you the loan. Okay, so they're able to do this. Now, if you're a first-time buyer, you want to make sure you tell the dealer that you are a first-time buyer, because you don't want to get into a loan as if you had bad credit. Now, granted, those who've got bad credit, you're going to be getting a higher interest rate. You're going to get into a loan that's, they're giving you a second chance. But a first-time buyer, they're going to give you a loan very similar to a person that's got good credit. Okay, you've got a clean record. They're going to give you a shot at a good loan with a good interest rate. Okay, so make sure you let them know that you're a first-time buyer. Now, step two is getting approved. Okay, we want to make sure that we've been on a job, guys, for 6 months to a year. On the job, 6 months to a year. Okay, and you've been in the area for about 6 months to a year also. This is very important because they want to look at stability. They want to make sure that you're going to be around to pay your bills. Okay, bring references. Okay, you need to have references. Families, friends. These are the things that they want to see on the references. 5 to 7 references, names, phone numbers. They want to contact these people and make sure that you know people in the area. Okay, this is what they ask for. Um, Besides that, you need to have a driver's license. Of course, if you get the car, you need to drive, so you need to have a driver's license. Pay stub. Pay stub is basically figuring out how much of a car you can afford. Okay, which I'll get into on the next step. Okay, but you need to have your pay stub, and you also have to have a utility bill and a phone bill. Okay, these are showing that you do live at this house, you do pay bills, and you are stable. Okay, insurance. Now, once you find a car, you want to basically call the insurance company, find how much the insurance is on that vehicle so it can fit, if it's going to fit in this payment that you're going to be paying every month, okay? So you don't want to go out there and go to the insurance company, oh, I want to get a Corvette convertible. Obviously, insurance is going to be extremely high. That's not going to work, guys, okay? So get something reasonable so you can talk to the insurance company. And also, to help getting approved, you need to have a minimum of 20% down. Okay, 20% down. Vehicle like $10,000, 20%, 10,000, 20%, 2,000. Okay, it's very simple. You know, you must have that to get the loan. Some places may kind of flex on that, but normally it's 20% is going to work for you. All right, so now moving on to step 3. Step 3 is how much are you financing? Okay, this is based upon how much you make. Okay, and it's based on gross pre-tax per month. Okay, so it's 10%. So let's figure your month is going to be $3,000 you're making. Okay, 10%, that's $3,000 pre-tax, before the tax taken out. So it's 3,000. 10% of that is 300. Okay, that would be your monthly payment. Normally, your loan is going to be 48 months. You don't want to exceed 48 months. It's just too much. 48 months is the baseline, is the best place to be with a loan. And being at $300, that's going to put the car right around maybe $12,000-$13,000 a year. Okay, and don't forget, you've got 20% down also. Okay, so your payment is going to be about $300. That's your comfort zone. Okay, making sure not to exceed that. Okay, so you can't forget about the 20% down. Your monthly payment is going to be 10% of your gross pre-tax, and that will give you an idea how much of a car you can get. Now, going into step 4. Step 4 is basically what kind of car. Okay, this is very important. You have to remember, if you're a first-time buyer, or if you're got bad credit, well, you're getting a car because you want to go back and forth to work. Okay, a lot of the finance companies are not going to finance for Mercedes or BMW or Jaguar or Porsche. These cars are extremely high to maintain, very expensive to maintain. Okay, so you can't really, you don't want to finance. Bank's not going to finance them. They want to make sure you get something that you're going to be practical. Toyota, Honda, Ford, Chevy, Dodge. These are vehicles that are practical to get you back and forth to work. They're going to do the loan for you. Okay, if you find a vehicle in that realm, Now, any of these loans that you're getting, make sure that these vehicles that you're purchasing has a warranty on them. Okay, the last thing that you want is to have a car break down and you don't have the money to fix the car. So any loan you get, no matter what, you make sure that this has a warranty on it, plain and simple. Okay, and make sure that the term of the warranty is at least half the length of the loan. So if it's a 48-month loan, your warranty is going to be how much? 24 months. Exactly. So that's what you want to make sure that the warranty is, because anything happens to that vehicle, you don't want to sit there and take out of your pocket to pay. That warranty will cover it. And any warranty you get, you make sure the company is an insured company. You make sure it's a reputable company, that they do pay their claims. Okay, there's a lot of good companies out there. But anyways, guys, these are the things that I would suggest doing. These are the steps I would take to get a loan, and hopefully it's helped you out. Just remembering steps 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so once again, guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. Any questions, please put it down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below, alright? Hey, thanks for stopping by and keep driving, alright? Take care.